Welcome to today's tutorial. I will show you how to install or enable Hyper-V on Windows 10. Hyper-V allows you to create virtual machines on your Windows 10 installation. There are a few requirements for enabling Hyper-V. First, make sure you're running Windows 10 Pro, Education, or Enterprise editions. If you have Windows 10 Home version, this will not work for you. First, let's check to see if we have virtualization enabled. In the search box, type Task Manager. Click on Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab. Click CPU. Look for the section named Virtualization. Make sure Virtualization is enabled. If Virtualization is enabled, it's okay to proceed now. If Virtualization is not enabled, you need to see if your CPU is compatible with virtualization. You can check by going into your BIOS and looking for any settings dealing with virtualization and make sure it's enabled. You can find this information on your motherboard's installation manual or manufacturer's documentation. Now, let's enable Hyper-V. We'll close this down. In the search bar, type Windows Features, and then click Turn Windows Features on or off. Here, this is where we can enable Hyper-V. Let's hit the plus sign to open up the Hyper-V drop-down box, and let's click Hyper-V. Make sure Hyper-V, Hyper-V Management Tools, and Hyper-V Platform are checked. Then click OK. This will apply the settings. Now we can restart our computer. Our PC is now restarted. Go to the search bar and type Hyper-V. Click on Hyper-V Manager. As you can see, Hyper-V has been successfully activated. Here is where you can spin up new virtual machines. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled Hyper-V on your Windows 10 installation. Check out my next tutorial. I'll show you how to set up a new virtual machine and install Windows on it. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Have a great day.